Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to win the Pet Detective game on the Lumosity website or application, depends on which platform are you using. So first we are going to click play so we will know how to play the game. This is the first level of the game. I'm going to choose it and click next. So the concept of the game is to solve the problem with the least operations of or the least movements possible. So here we will see which shortest move that we can do. So here we have the doghouse that we should go in. As you can see, this is the nearest checkpoint or the nearest thing that we have to do. So we are going to go and get the dog, and obviously or necessarily we should pass from the doghouse to get the cat and take the cat to the cat house. So it's only or the only choice or the only move that we can do. This is the round two, as you can see here. Now we should take, if we go from here to there, we will have to make two moves, which is bad because we should go get the dog house and take him to the dog house, and here we will still have only one move and we can get our cat. In this round, the first thing that we can do is to take first the dog and go to the cat and take it and get the dog to the dog house and get cat to the cat house. So as you can see, this is how you can win easily the Pet Detective game. Thank you for watching and goodbye.